Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-Maida, ayah number 13. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم لعناهم. Fa, give hums on fa before fatha. With fatha, the sound will be short. B for kasra, keep e sound. Ma, two counts long. Naq for fatha, open jaws. Keep noon light, but qaf will be heavy, and qaf will get qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. When you're opening your makhraj of qaf, that is bringing in qalqala, but you are not opening your jaws for it, and not even moving your jaws. Naql. Li for kasra, give E sound. Dad is heavy. This is ikhfa shafawi. So bring in gunna, and this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me is two counts long. Ta, two counts long. Qaf is heavy for fatha, open jaws. For the circle ellipse attached with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound, and ruling is ha. La, for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Ain, from your throat, for fatha, open jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, two counts long. For the circle ellipse attached with meme, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, and hukmuhu idhar. مخرج of واو, circling your lips for fatha, open jaws. Ja for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat for fatha, open jaws, attach with neem, lam, and lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Na, two counts long. U, qaf is heavy for dhamma, circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lu for dhamma, circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Ba for fatha, open your jaws. For the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, and hukmuhu idhar. Qaf is heavy and make it two counts long. This alif is heavy too because of this qaf. C for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short. Yeah, keep ya soft, and ya for fatha, the sound will be short. Where you are giving more time here on this ha. When we stop, when we give waqt, this ta changes into ha. So you are giving rakhawa on ha when you are giving waqt here. Yeah. You for the circle lips, the sound is short. Had, give hums on ha, and it should be from your throat. For fatha, open jaws, attached to raw. Raw will be light because there is kasra on raw. Har, and give the wasut first. Harri, who, give hums on fa, make it two counts long for the circle lips. Nal for fatha, open jaws, and then attach it lam. Lam will get sif of the wasut. Ka, kaf is light, and for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Li for kasra, give e sound. Ma for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. For fatha, open jaws. Wa for waw, circle your lips for and make it two counts long. Di for dad is heavy, for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short. I for ain from your throat, for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short. He, two counts long. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Na for fatha, open jaws. Su for the circle your lips, make it two counts long. How, ha from your throat. For fatha, open jaws, attaches law. Law will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should be very clear with rakhawa. The sound should flow. How, for fatha, open jaws, attached meme, you will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is idgham with gunna. Meme for kasra, give e sound, attached meme, you will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, two counts long. Duk for dhamma, circle lips attached with kaf. As you will touch kaf, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on kaf. Duk E for kasra, give E sound. Ra is heavy because there is dhamma on it. Make it 2 counts long. B for kasra, give E sound and give rakhawa on ha because you are giving sukoon on it because of the waqf. B. مخرج pause circling your lips for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Ta very sharp sound for fatha open jaws. The 2 counts long. Lu for the circle your lips the sound is short. Ta is light but to is heavy. Ta ko fatha the sound is short. Li for kasra give e sound. U ain from your throat for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Kha, make kha heavy. You are not circling your lips for any heavy laughter, but you are lifting your tongue up to make it heavy and make it 4 counts long because this is mad muttasil wajib. Kha for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Na for fatha open jaws. Tim idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min for kasra give e sound attached with noon get sifa of the wasat and ruling it with her. Hum for the circular lips attached with mim, we will get sifa of the wasat and the wasat is medium flow of sound. Il hamza is very sharp for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat first. La make it 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Li 2 counts long. Lam idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon gets sifa of the wasat and ruling it with her. Hum for the circular lips attached with mim, we will get sifa of the wasat and ruling it with her. For fatha open your jaws. Give hams before fatha. With fatha, you are attaching it with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Fu for the circular lips, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut, and ruling it with har. Hum for the circular lips, attach it mim. You will get sifa of tawassut, and ruling it with har. Was for wow circle your lips, makhraj of wow circling your lips, fatha open jaws, attach it sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa and it will be heavy and it has safir. Wasfah for fatha open jaws, attach it ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa and it is light. In hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound, attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and gunna this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy there because there is fatha before it. Now wa ha for fatha open jaws. You for the circle lips keep ya very soft. Give hams on ha, it should be from your throat, and for kasra give e sound, attach it b. Ba will be very sharp. There's no flow of sound. Hib wool for the circular lips, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mul hib wool muh for the circular lips attach it ha. Ha should be from your throat with hams. Muh si for kasra give e sound. Neen. We are giving temporary sukoon on noon, and because of this noon, it will get tawassut. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is become aratil sukoon now. فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم لعناهم وجعلنا قلوبهم قاسية يحرفون الكلم عن مواضعه ونسوا حظا مما ذكروا به ولا تزال تطلع على خائنة منهم إلا قليلا منهم فاعف عنهم واصفح إن الله يحب المحسنين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.